come on, people. Do we really need animated characters with annoying voices taking over the internet? You know what? I guess when your face looks like a melted Mr. Potato Head, I guess I can see why you'd prefer to hide behind a cartoon.
She understands me.
Seriously, though, what kind of person wakes up one morning and decides, hey, you know what I want to be? A computer-generated avatar that spouts off cringe-worthy catchphrases and tries too hard to be cute. Sorry, not sorry, but I'd rather listen to cow farts than whatever nonsense these VTubers have to say.
Okay, Brad Poster! Okay!